Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the Crypto Education Channel, the Crypto Hub, where we learn, we invest, and we always stay up to date. So, on today's video, we will continue with localcryptos.com. We did our previous video that we opened an account, we set up offers, and now, after setting up all those offers, what happens and what will prevent us from losing our money? The security issues are very important, and that is one thing that we will learn in this video. On today's video, I will take you step by step. And if you are having trouble navigating on how to buy, how to pay, how to do all that, once you go to localcryptos.com, there is a video that always comes instantly, and you can go through it. It's a very short, very nice, very good tutorial for the buyers and sellers as a client. But as a merchant, you follow what we did on the previous video. On your profile section, you need to verify. You need to verify every detail. So jump to your profile section and verify, complete verifications of your emails, of your phone numbers. It's very important as a merchant. It helps during disputes and all that. Good. So we had offers that we created, and now clients have viewed our offers, they have loved our offers, and they want to place trades with us. So once a trade is opened, yes, so these are our offers, and click to view them. So we have told our clients that we are trading from 0 to up to 30,000. So probably a client is buying from you, or on the other hand, is selling to you. Yes. You'll first find a notification in your email. Local Cryptos will send you an instant notification in your email if a client opens a trade with you. So don't you worry trying to wonder, how will I really know if I'm offline? How will I know that a client has placed a trade with me? All right. Good. So also on the other hand, you're supposed to verify your phone number so that you can also get a notification in your phone. Okay. You see, our offer is still there. It's on the top section. We are selling LTC. The reason I'm saying we are selling is because this interface I told you is for the client. Yours is the back office. Yeah, in your mind, keep that in your mind that you are selling and here you are buying, because the client is coming to sell and here the client is coming to buy. So we are selling at 1.7 above market price, and we are buying at around, I think our offer is somewhere this year. We are buying at around 1.3% below market price. So this is just for demo purposes. And if you're finding value in our videos, kindly don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also share the video with people. Let people know that it's easy to make money. So once a client opens a trade, the trade will appear here. Yes, there's no active trade right now, so there's no trade that will appear. So the client will come and write you a message. Yeah, write you a message here. So the client wants to sell you Litecoin. So the client will come of around, let's say, 3,000 shillings. And then the client will say, hello, kindly buy some LTC or stroke Litecoin from me, or whichever way. Yeah. And then they will open a trade. We can't really open a trade ourselves because you can't open a trade on yourself. And they will see your terms of trade. Your terms of trade should be very clear. Always very, very, very clear. Yes. As I told you on our previous video, that is why I'm insisting, follow that previous video. So have all your terms of trade here. And the first term of trade that you should have is there should be no third-party transactions. No third-party transactions. The first thing that you should always have in your terms of trade, no third party transactions. Why? Because if someone, you're dealing with one person and then you're paying or getting paid to another person, you get, there'll be very complicated modes of solving your dispute. Because in case there's a problem, Local Cryptos solves disputes. You're supposed to report a problem if someone is trying to misbehave. So no third-party transactions. You're supposed to indicate that. Secondly, in your terms of trade, you should indicate to the client that they should only open a trade when they are ready. When they are ready. Yeah. You don't want a person to open 5 trades and they want to buy from you. You uploaded escrow and then the person starts complaining that they don't have the money and all that. Yeah. So you need to put those terms clear. And then if they are selling to you, that means you're paying them. You're supposed to indicate that on this third-party transaction, the person who is trading, the name of the person trading should be the one that should appear in either the M-Pesa or whichever means. Okay, and then now comes after your, because your terms of trade are very clear. When they open a trade, you will respond. Because a message will come onto your side. So how will you respond? You're supposed to always have a ready message. All right, always have a ready message. You can have a very nice ready message, a welcoming message. Yes, have a welcoming message that welcome back. If they are selling you right now, you can tell them, kindly load your escrow. All right, now we're jumping to the escrow. What is an escrow? An escrow is what is between you and the seller, or you and the buyer. So if the seller is selling you, they will first load escrow the amount that they are selling. So they will load 0.215 or 0.2029 worth of LTC in the escrow. All right. Okay. And this is now the section that we are in. Okay. So where the seller puts the coin, maybe the BTC, into the escrow. Once it is loaded, you will see this padlock locked. All right. This padlock will get locked. And now you, as the buyer, you will pay the seller comfortably. Never, ever, ever, ever pay if the escrow is not funded and if it's not locked. You have to refresh that page, recheck until you see it's locked. All right. After that, you will click mark as paid. There's a button that indicates that you have paid. Yes, there's a button that will open and indicate that you have paid. In your message section, indicate, hello, I have paid. So kindly release escrow. Okay, what is an escrow? An escrow is the in-between between you two. So when the funds are in escrow, that seller cannot take them back. Even if you pay them, they cannot take them back because the funds are with localcryptos.com. Yes, and now if the seller releases, then the process becomes very easy. Yeah. So as you can see, the seller puts Bitcoin in escrow, the buyer pays the seller, and then the escrow is released. After that, the other process is tell them to give you a good rating. Make a good rapport with your clients. Yes. And tell them you expect to trade with them even more. So always keep everything within localcryptos.com. Don't trade outside. Why? Because of now this section. If there is a dispute, you are free to report. Always report, and an arbitrator will come and solve the dispute between you two. Okay. So number one, you need to have a very good profile. a verified profile. Yes. Trade with a few other merchants before you start making heavy sales. Yes. And always ensure that the fees, always ensure that the assets that you're trading are in the escrow before you pay. Are we clear with that? Always ensure that. Do not pay until the seller loads escrow. Correct. Good. So that is not, and if anybody tells you that they want you to solve or to do other transactions outside Local Cryptos, do not accept that. All right? Do not accept that, because Local Cryptos will not help you at all, and you might end up losing your money. Okay, good, correct. So how about when you are selling? How about when you are selling? So someone has come and has seen that the crypto education is selling, so they want to buy from you. Yes. So they will input the amount, 20,000. They will write down the message, and then they'll tell you, kindly sell me some Litecoin. And then you will use the message. Remember the message. And your terms are very clear here. Always never forget, their terms are very clear. So have the welcome message. Hello, welcome back. Kindly wait for me to load escrow, because it's you who have the LTC. So you need to load the escrow yourself. So after loading the escrow, indicate to them that kindly wait for me to load escrow. And once the escrow is funded, pay to this and this and this phone number. And the confirmation name or the M-Pesa name will be this and this and this. Yes, and all that should be in your profile, should be in your terms of trade, that your name is this and this and all that. Good. Do not at any one point release the escrow. Yes. Do not release this escrow until you receive payment. You confirm that you have payment in your collection account. It can be that when you receive your payment, you always transfer that payment to a separate probably account. Once you receive your M-Pesa, or you receive to, wherever you receive your payment, always make sure that you receive your payment in a secure way. And do not at any one point do any transaction outside localcryptos.com. So with that, you are very okay. I know you will enjoy trading and have a wonderful time. Make sure you don't miss those points. So we've said number one, always wait for escrow. Do not do any third-party transactions. Do not do any transaction outside Local Cryptos, and have a verified profile. All right. So that's it, guys. I guess we're done with Local Cryptos. We will do very, very many more educational videos. Kindly share, subscribe, and give us a like. Thank you very much, and see you in our next video.